Katie. So today I'm going to be showing you some Pusheen DIYs. So who knows who Pusheen is? Comment down below if you like Pusheen. So yeah, let's just get right on with the video. Whoop. Number 1. So for this little DIY purse or pencil case thing, you will need any gray fabric that you own. I just used an old t-shirt that was annoying to wear. Then you also need some Velcro or a zip or some buttons, whichever. And then you need the scissors. You don't need this many, but I just wanted a chance to show off all my scissors, so yeah. So first, I'm gonna mark out where, like how big I want my little purse thingy to be. Then I'm just cutting out like around it, sorta, to make it easier to cut out. And then I'm just folding it over. Then we're gonna cut it after we pin it up so it stays together. Then I'm just cutting around it. Hey, cut it out! And then I'm just pinning it like smaller so I can sew it. Now, you don't have to sew this. You can like use hot glue, fabric glue. You can use a sewing machine, but I was too lazy to take mine out. Though it probably would have been easier to use my sewing machine. It took me a while to hand sew this, but I think it was worth it. It's a really cute purse, or whatever you want to call it. Then I'm just sewing around the edge because we want a really clean edge. We don't want a dirty edge. I know I'm hilarious with these puns, but yeah, you don't have to do a hem around the edge if you don't want to. But like, if you do, then make sure it isn't dirty because we want a clean edge. Hey, shut up you, my puns are amazing. Then I'm just using my magic to turn that inside out, and then we're going to cut some Velcro to the size that I want. Now, you don't have to use Velcro. You can use like a zip or some buttons, but like, I just used Velcro because it was the easiest option. I actually ended up tearing up the little sewing things because it didn't really make it stay on very well, and I just hot glued them there off camera. So I'd suggest using hot glue or fabric glue for using Velcro, or whatever you want. Then I'm just turning it back around, and here we go. Now we can draw Pusheen's face on it because this is a Pusheen DIYs video. Then I'm just using my magic again to say bye-bye to that excess fabric, and then I'm just drawing on the Pusheen face. And here it is. I don't have much to say about it other than I love it, and it's really cute, and you should make it if you can. So yeah. Number 2. Now, for the second DIY, it's going to be a phone case. You will need a clear phone case, and if you have paint on it, I'll show you a way to get the paint off, if it's acrylic paint. And you also need acrylic paint. You can use whatever paint you like, actually, but I think acrylic paint works the best because I have a large collection of it. So, if you have acrylic paint on your phone case already, then you can use nail polish remover on it to get the paint off of it, and it works pretty well. Then I'm going to take a pencil and I'm going to dip it into the black acrylic paint. I destroyed that pencil, though it was fine after carrying it a bit. And then I'm just drawing on Pusheen, and then after that I'm drawing some stars with white paint. And after that, I'm going to mix up a grey paint. And such a convenient time that I run out of white paint. But actually, I've had a backup white paint for months because I kept thinking that I've run out of paint. So yeah, that wasn't a problem. But I ended up wasting a load of paint because I only needed a bit. And I also ended up sort of ruining the first details, so I had to go over it. And now it doesn't look as pretty because it sort of looks grey in the sunlight, as you can see. But it still looks really cool. I like it. That's my old iPhone 5, if you're wondering. Number 3. We're going to make this Pusheen badge thingy, and you will need some cardboard, and a badge thingy, as it says in the top left corner. So first I'm going to draw Pusheen on this little piece of cardboard. You can also just print it out and stick it onto some cardboard. And then I'm just like going over the lines with that pen. Then I'm coloring it in with a pencil because I don't have any gray colors, I guess. Then I'm just cutting it out, and I'm too lazy to go into detail with cutting it out, so I just did a circle around it. Then I did a border. Then I used double-sided tape to stick the badge on, and here it is. I think it's really cute. I put a sealer glue thing on it, but yeah, I really like it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. And if you want a shout out in my next video, make sure to comment down below #craftification_squad after subscribing and turning on notifications. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!